Mendoza has been a very huge part of my life. I'm sure, hindi ko alam kung ganun din ako sa kanya. Pero ako, that's how I feel. And parang hindi ako masyadong naging vocal about this for the longest time. And I think now is the right time. Malaki ang pagpapasalamat ko sa kanya, sa pagtiwala niya sa akin, in a way. And although we may had some differences and misunderstandings in the past, at least we remained good friends. And ngayon nga po na medyo tuluyan na talaga parang nawalan ng possibility na makabalik po ako sa Eat Bulaga, it's because of different network and exclusive po ako. So medyo nakakalungkot. Pero now that she's going into a path na talagang nakikwento na sa akin na gusto niya ever since. Kasi si Min, very planned yung buhay na by the age, very goal-oriented. By the age of ganito na ako. So ngayon na nandyan siya ngayon, of course with Arjo, siguro yung nabibigay ni Arjo sa kanya is yung talagang love na deserve niya. And I'm very happy for them, sincerely. Sinasabi ko yun sa kanya. And I really wish her well. And you know, sana, I hope that wherever she is now, I hope that she's very happy. Kasi for the longest time, she deserves that. And yun ang dapat para sa mga taong nagtatrabaho ng hardworking. And kumbaga kasi parang biglaan din yung dating po talaga sa buhay ni Min ng show business eh. So kumbaga I think this is her reward.